everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I decided to make a video about the hair care routine, and this hair care is gonna be a little bit different from the routine I usually do because today I decided to try rice water. I've heard that rice water is really good for your hair, it makes them shiny, etc. and this method is quite popular on YouTube and on TikTok right now. So I've read that there are a lot of benefits of using the rice water, and it detangles the hair, it makes them smoother, increases shine, makes hair stronger, and even helps hair grow. So I decided to try it, and there are two ways to prepare the rice water for your hair. The first one is a little bit more complicated and takes a little bit more time. So if we are creating the fermented rice water with the first method, we will need half of cup of rice. We will need to wash it, then add 2 cups of water and let it stay for 3 days. And this is actually the best way, and this water is supposed to work better, but I decided to go with the simpler and quicker way, so you can do it too if it works. So for this we need 1 cup of rice. I just added 1 glass of rice. I don't think that it makes a lot of difference. Of course we'll have to wash it first, and then I added 1 glass of water to the rice and I was stirring it for like 30 minutes or even more. Then I stained the water to another bowl and let it stay for 24 hours in room temperature. So yeah, my rice water is ready. I guess it is right here. It's not a lot of water, but I think that it will be enough at least for the ends of my hair. So the process is simple. I will need to wash my hair first. I will use a regular shampoo and conditioner from the brand Function. I am not a big fan of this brand. I tried it for the first time and I don't think that I will use it after this bottle will be finished. It's not bad, but it's not the best I've tried. So yeah, but anyway, I will use the Function shampoo and conditioner, and then what we need to do is to pour rice water on our hair. I decided not to pour the rice water, but kinda let them rest in rice water for like a couple of minutes, and then you can rinse it in 20 minutes. But it's actually recommended to not rinse it and do not use any other oils or conditioners after the rice water, and let your hair dry on air. So let's go make our water. Actually, I already made it yesterday, and I guess I will see you after all the process is done. So let me show you my hair right now so we can compare the before and after. So this is my hair right now. Let me brush it so we can see clearer how they look right now. Yeah, you can see that I have a little bit of frizz. Yeah, they're not as shiny as I want them to be. And they are not super smooth. So yeah, let me go wash my hair and I will see you, I guess, in 3 or 4 hours when they are fully dry. So I just washed off all my makeup and washed my hair as well, and now I'm gonna put my hair in this bowl with rice water. Yeah. It feels gross. I mean, not the rice water, but the fact that I'm putting my hair in the bowl that I usually use for some kind of salads and other food. But we gotta do our experiment, so. Some parts of my hair are left without any rice water, like the back of my hair, but I think it's okay. We'll still see the result, if there will be a result. Okay. Now I'm creating a little bun of my hair and putting this towel to be twist so my hair could dry out a little bit. yeah, looks amazing. Now it's time for the hardest part of this experiment, is to wait like 2 or 3 hours while all my hair are dried out. So yeah, I guess I'll see you a little bit later. Ta-da! So I'm here, my hair finally dried and they look like this. Well, yeah, as you can see, they definitely look better than before. And I can see this shine that was promised. And I thought that the rice water will feel kind of heavy on my hair, but they are actually really light and shiny. And very, very soft. So this method definitely works, and this is the result without using any other hairsprays or hair oils or something like this. So this is just rice water and that's it. So I definitely recommend this method. You can use rice water instead of your conditioner and hair oil, or you can combine both methods together for the best result. But I definitely recommend you trying this. Plus it's free, so if you are going to cook rice for lunch or dinner this day, you can create this fermented rice water and try it on your hair. So I hope my video was helpful and you will try this hair care method on your hair. And if you do, please share your results in the comment section down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!